Hello, this is Darren with Brew. Today is another tips and tricks video that I want to show you how to actually fill a bottle using the Fill Boss system and how to properly load it and adjust it. So the adjustment of the platform that regulates your bottle height is using the screw on the top. So it's basically turning this one direction lowers the platform, turning it clockwise raises the platform. You want to set your bottle height so that about 25 to 30% of the spring is uncompressed. Okay, so what we're going to go here is basically proper way to load a bottle is to use your left hand, sanitize your hands, put the tube into the bottle, and make sure that the bottle, when you're loading, has the sensor rod, the little black rod here inside the bottle. It's very common for people to push the bottle up and have that on the outside, in which case it won't automatically stop when it gets full. So you want to push the bottle in so that the sensor rod is in. Using your hand on the back, underneath this lip, push down using your palm. Don't try to get on top and push like this. It makes it very, very difficult. It's a strong spring. Your hand can generate hundreds of pounds of force by squeezing. Simply put your fingers on the back and use your palm to push down. Push down on the platform and load the bottle. Then tighten the screw up until 25 to 30% of the spring length is what's normally here. So it's almost completely compressed. That gives us a nice amount of force. If you're getting air or CO2 leaking out during filling out this seal, it probably indicates that's not tight enough or you're using too much pressure. You should be using 8 to 10 psi during a fill session. So to start a fill session, as we discussed, we load the bottle. Again, sanitize your hands anytime you touch this tube. I use a sanitizing bottle with Star San in it. I just spray my hands up to make sure everything that's going to touch beer gets sanitized. So I take the tube, feed it in. Like I said, my hand on the top, I lower the platform, lock the bottle into position, and press the button short, just a short press on it. We went through another video showing how to adjust the speed of filling. If you hold that button too long, it will actually change your speed. So you want to make sure that you press this button momentarily to start the fill. See what it's doing now is it's purging the air out of the bottle. It then pressurizes the bottle to the same pressure. That's the counter pressure fill system is what's in the keg. And it starts the fill process. Now you can see we're on speed number 1. You can hear the pulsing of the relay on the back. That's letting small bursts of CO2 out of the bottle, which then get replaced by the fluid being filled. So I'm going to increase the speed while filling. I'm now at speed 2. You can see the speed's filling up faster. I'll go to 3. Go to 4. It's 4. I'm at speed 5 right now. You can hear the pulsing. It's much quicker on the relay on the back. And I'm going to go wide open. And this is a wide open fill. We'll let it fill to the end. Once the system senses that the fluid is up to the top, to the sensor rod, it will beep indicating the fill is complete, and it'll flash red indicating it's completed. Now the red flash also has another meaning, and we'll get to that in another video.